So, of course, I got my purse over there because I had to get my Bluetooth. I should take it from the floor. Um, so what I got was the Manetabolism Plus. It helps hair to grow longer, thicker, faster, complete nutrition. Um, of course, I did my research. Um, some people said theirs was not packaged properly, and at the bottom was like broken capsules, and the powder was everywhere. I just opened mine. Here's the wrapping and everything. And I'm gonna put the cotton back in, but I just wanted to check mine and inspect it, and everything's fine with mine. I don't know where people are getting their stuff from. I don't know. Um, but these are it. These are the correct one. Non-genetically modified. Um, and it is physician formulated. Now I heard that this lady, her husband is a doctor. Um, so physician formulated. First class. So the vitamins that are in it is vitamin A, 163%, 167% vitamin C, vitamin D3, vitamin E, K, um, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6, folic acid. I need that for my bones. B12, biotin, which is like 5,000 milligrams. Like, that's crazy. Um, Second to that is like the vitamin A is 8,150. Um, so vitamin B12 and B7 biotin is both daily value is 100, no, is 1,667. So yeah, this has everything in it. Other ingredients: cellulose, magnesium, and silicone dioxide. Does not contain pork products, so that's good. So it also says Manetabolism is a healthy hair vitamin that helps to support healthy hair growth, nails, and skin. A complete nutritional supplement for adults infused with antioxidants to help strengthen your immune system and to boost your energy level the healthy way. Directions: start by taking a before picture of your hair. For adults, take 2 capsules a day with food. Can be taken at the same time or at separate times. So take 2 capsules a day with food. With food. And I heard with a lot of research, you gotta take it with food and you have to drink a lot of water. I heard that it does break it broke some people out who were taking this. They said it broke them out like in their problem areas. Mine is usually here that I break out, or here, or just this area. But I'm gonna drink a lot of water when I take this, and I'm gonna use this, and I'm also going to use my Indian healing clay. It's good for hair, it's good for skin. um it says mix clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar. With research, I have seen that it's better if you just use water. So I'm gonna just use water. I'm not about to use apple cider vinegar on my face. Not that it's not good, but I'm just not going to. Um, so it helps with your face. You just, make it into a clay. Also, I'm going to use some when it comes to my hair. I'm going to use it as a deep conditioner for my hair. Um, it says, do not leave clay mask on skin longer than 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin, as they may cause redness, drying. Slight redness of skin is normal, for those of lighter complexion. And will disappear in about 30 minutes. Please conduct a forearm skin patch test prior to facial use to test for allergic reactions or its sensitivity. So it's sun-dried, no fragrances, no animal testing, no animal products, no additives. So that's it. I got the natural hair. And great for facials, body wraps, clay baths, foot soaks, chill clay for knee packs, and insect bites. Okay, all right. So yeah, this I heard is really good. Um, I'm gonna put the cotton ball back in. It does have a smell to it. You know, it is pills. Oh, I think I'm going to when I take my hair out, which will be maybe next week or at the end of this month, I am going to um take out my hair and I'm going to use this. I have to get my split ends like cut, so I'm gonna do that. Get trimming. Yeah, so that's it. Let me show you guys how the pill looks like. See, it's pretty big, but it's not as big as I thought it was. See, it's not as big as I thought it was. Honestly, I thought it was like this gigantic, like, oh, sorry, sheesh. I thought it was like this gigantic pill. But I can swallow this. I can swallow it. Just drink a lot of water, and I'll make sure that I eat. I'll probably eat something like heavy because I don't want to eat too much just to take these. I'll just eat something heavy like whatchamacallit, like oatmeal. Put some raisins in it. Something. Drink a lot of water. So yeah, and there are 60 capsules in here. So you know, I do have to get back to work soon enough. Thank God. But I want to have my hair done by then. I don't want to look crazy, or I'll just, just rock the natural do. But yeah, so I'm gonna be taking these, and we'll see how it goes. And I'll take a picture. I'll take a before picture. So I'm gonna put that back in the box, and I'll organize my dresser and everything here. And that's it.